Here we have a 2020 Toyota Tundra with a 5.7. We just did a catback dual exhaust system, ran it out to these nice 4-inch black tips, as you can see. Tucked it in there nice and tight. These are all pretty tight underneath there. Got to clear the brake lines and clear the axle, of course. It's got a Flowmaster 40 on there, the original 40's got a good tone to it, nice throaty sound to it, the dual in, dual out. Of course, it has the factory cat still on there. Customer just wants it to rumble a little bit, not too loud. Don't want to wake any dead people up. Let's see what it sounds like. There you go, that sounds pretty good. Cold starts, get a little louder than it. Once it warms up a little bit, settles down. Hard to beat those Flowmasters. Sounds good.